rolling on the floor, laughing, 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 rolling on the floor.
You know what? Screw it. They said if you're thinking about it, you might as well do it.
What are you waiting for? Do it!
What's going on, guys? This is Corey from TZ Nation 87. Hey, I'm going to teach you how to polish an intake. What you see here is I have a mat because I messed up my intake. I'm going to shine it up. I want to tell the differences between the trees on the shine, the chrome polish, pure buffing. I'm going to show you the differences. I'm going to get to it and I'm going to show you right now. All right, guys? And this is what I got by using the kid technique. But this is just with pure buffing. There's like paint, there's grime, there's dirt, there's gook, and there's a couple of scratches on there from it, you know, being down here on the ground and doing all this and all that shaking. My whole plan is to buff it out. In the process of me buffing it out and showing you, because I want to show you guys. Sorry if I'm slurring my words and I can't compile my words correctly. I'm actually hungry and it's a 90-degree day. I'm doing the best I can here, guys, with the speech. But this is what we have with just the plain buffing. Now, it looks great, but I want more of a shine. So I'm going to continue on this side with this stuff. All right. That died on me. Battery on the charger. And as you can see from this one, it's a lot better.
Shiny.
You see the differences in the texture of everything, and it's so smooth. Like I said, my mistake is when I moving this before, pretty much like this, and that's not how you're supposed to do it, and that's how I just got scratched and scuffed and all that other stuff. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just fixing a lot of my mistakes. So what I did is a final look of that. So next one I'm going to use is this, and we're going to see how this works on the aluminum so I can polish it. So guys, that's the next one. For what?
It's like to open jars and hold your dildo better.
You sure you don't need it?
I don't know.
Why did you have it? Why did you have it?
Pop festival. You didn't go?
I don't go that way.
It's right across the street from
I know that. I was.
Selling plates. I mean, I know you're probably not used to buying them.
You're a dickhead. You're a straight dickhead.
No, I didn't think of it. Last time they were offshore bikes. Yeah, they would have like a fucking train line over there. Yeah, they did.
Important the guy over here. That's just my friend Rob over there being a dickhead with the whole comment. Why don't you just show him and put that up in the air, buddy?
Show them that dildo. That's the whole Corey's dildo.
Mm-hmm. Apparently I need a dildo to hold better grip.
Food resistant.
Oh. I thought that was that song. You kidding me? Go, go, Power Rangers.
Mm-hmm.
Go, go, Power Rangers. Well. In today's episode of Ripley's Believe It or Not, that's gonna be last. What do you think? Comment down below. There's that stuff. Here is that stuff. And here was just. Comment down below. Tell me which one you think is the best one. If you're trying to polish your intake and get rid of all your scratches and stuff, this is the way to do it. Thanks to the help of my friend over there who's supplying me the tools. And since we're on my friend's subject, there's something I have to show you. Now this is one of the cheapest, best mods you can ever do. These lights, for real cheap, actually are great. We was driving down the road. They pretty much look like daytime when you were driving. But this is the main event. Now guys, you're never gonna believe this. 6th gen Honda Accord, and he has the engine right in there now. Comment down below, tell me how do you like that? I know I have some Honda fans on my page. Comment down below, tell me what do you think guys, because he's got to do the finalization on the wiring and stuff and whatnot, and don't pay attention to the wiring because he got stuff that he's going to fix for that. But just so you know, this polishing the intake is part of stage 3. We're on stage 3. I'm not going to lie. I like the color complex, well, the contrast of the car because it's something different. It sticks out. You should just. I didn't get a chance to see how he was, but I'm pretty sure he was like a little kid in the candy store. I don't think I show you that down there, but everything color matches with that. The block is going to match the car. If you can already tell, the color matches. To get back to what we were doing, but I just wanted to show you that just something else that I am going to branch out to. You'll find out later on the channel if you decide to stick by me. I'm going to be doing a lot of things with my channel. Just stay tuned for something like this on my side, my end. And so to tell you, and this is what it's like when I'm going to put all three. I put both of them in the mixer. I'm going to see what it does. All right, guys. He wanted to clean it. Guy was pretty much like, I know you're not going to show my car and my engine in here and it looking dirty like this. Hell no, I'm going to clean it. Say anything to the beloved viewers.
It's going to be faster than your Camaro.
Did you just really say that?
VTEC, baby, VTEC.
Off to West Coast Customs.
Off to the West Coast.
And this part, however, it's a combination of both of them. Coming on good. Now I'm going to finish this one off camera and the intake that's behind the camera. I'm going to show that off camera. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to do the before and after videos and you're going to see the difference. Alright guys? And there they are, guys. The final, keep in mind I'm no professional by any means. Don't have that much experience in buffing. They do look a lot better. For this one, I'll show you. For this one, it wasn't doing that much of a job. I was trying to port the inside because it's like rough here and then it's smooth here a little bit. But I don't have something long enough so it could spin. So I was like, I got it on this side, got it on this side. You can see the differences between the smooth and then where, in a sense, I kind of like honed. Like letting it spin and hone it. You know, pretty much like my last builder should have did my engine block, but never did with the little honing device. But he never did. But anyway, got good here, kind of in there deeply, like I told you before. I'm gonna try to use something at my house to actually clean it. This is the final product. When we get home, I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like when it's mounted up. All right, guys. And he wanted to buff this up, buff the paint up. As you can see, we're not the type of people that have thousands of dollars laying down for a professional paint job. So we do what we can. We do the best of what we can. I'm gonna close out the house. Might be at night, might be in the daytime, I don't know. Depending upon what we leave, I'll try to get a video for that. Oh yeah, he forgot to tell you. He's stancing out his car. How do you like that for a stance? Who remember that song? You see the same thing in it. Just letting you know that this is the end of the video. There's the final product. Still gotta be welded, yes I know. But it looks a lot better than when it did. It looks a lot better. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. It's gonna look a million times better when it's welded. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. What do you guys think? That's the final product. I told you I wanted to show you this one there. It's inside the car. So, that's it. Get a notification whenever my video comes up. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it's Easy Nation 87, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all down on links below. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Yes, this is the end of the video. Give it to Z all the way to the ring, guys. Have a great day. Look at that shine. That's what I was talking about. Yes. As soon as we get her back on the ground. Yes. Looks so good. Looks so much better. So much better.